Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear Gmail cache. So to clear Gmail's cache, to start, open Gmail app, then click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then at the bottom, select Manage Accounts on this device. Now in here, remove the account and add it back. Or you can delete Gmail app. So press and hold Gmail app and click Remove app, then click Delete app, and then the app will be deleted. Then confirm the action. Then to reinstall it, you can go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Gmail. Then in here, just click install to install it back. Now, if you're using Android, so you can go to your settings, then scroll down to apps, then look for Gmail, then select Gmail. Then from here, tap storage and cache, and just tap clear cache. If Gmail's still having issues, you can also tap clear storage or clear data, but this will reset the app and require to resync your emails. Now on iPhone, you can also again go to your settings, then scroll down and go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now in here, look for Gmail app. You can also search it, select it. Then from here, you can tap offload app, confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So wait for the button that says reinstall, then click on that. So reinstalling the app will place back your data and just wait for it to finish. So once this is done, open Gmail again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.